Hey guys, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name is Anna and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve these natural looking curls. These curls are so effortless, it's actually crazy how easy this tutorial is. So I will be using my set of Luxy hair extensions, which is going to add some volume and some length to this beautiful look. So if you guys are interested in finding out how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Okay, so because we're going for a really big curly haired look, we want a lot of volume. So I find that what really helps add that extra volume is if you blow dry your hair. So I have obviously already blow dried my hair, and the number one way to really ensure that you're getting a lot of volume, I find, is if you tilt your head all the way back like this and you begin blow drying, and then you tilt your head back and then continue to blow dry. It's just going to give you so much volume. Now for this look, I am going to be using my Luxy, and these are from their seamless collection. So this is what they look like. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my extensions and I'm going to give them just a quick brush. So I am using Luxy's loop extension brush. This brush is specifically made for hair extensions, and the really cool thing about this brush is that it's not gonna pull on any of the hair, which is the number one thing you don't want when it comes to hair extensions, because if you are pulling hair, then you're just gonna ruin your hair extensions quite fast, and we don't want that. So once I have my hair extensions brush, I'm going to just separate my hair and I'm going to begin curling my hair. So this particular hair look takes a really long time. It's really easy to do, but it does take a lot of patience. We're going to be using this wand right here. It's really thin, really small, and that's part of the reason why it takes so long. It's gonna look so great. I'm going to start by clipping in my hair extensions. So the seamless collection is really amazing for people that have really thin hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair is pretty thin, so that's why I love these. I'm going to try to get as close to the root as possible. So once I have my hair extensions in, I'm going to start curling my hair. It's really small sections of hair like this. Usually if I was going for a more like effortless loose waves, I would take bigger sections of my hair and curl them like this. But because I want really tight curls, I need really small sections of hair. And I'm basically gonna do this all over my hair, and that's the part that's gonna take a little bit longer. And this is exactly the effect that we want. So this is what the first section looks like right now, and you guys can see the difference. It's gonna look so good. I'm so excited, you guys. So this is what your hair is going to look like once you have completely curled the bottom section. This is perfect. This is exactly the look that we're going for. Doing the exact same thing that I did in the first step, I'm going to section off my hair, and now I'm going to take a section of my hair extensions. I'm just gonna clip them in right above from where I clipped in my first set of extensions, following the exact same process that I did. So if you're starting to look like Goldilocks, you're doing a good job, because this is what you're supposed to look like. So next we're going to clip in another section of the hair extensions, and I'm going to use this piece right here. So this has 4 different clips. They're so easy to clip in, you guys. And then we're just going to repeat that entire process, starting with the wand. So this section right here is completely done. We're almost out of the woods. So I'm just going to part this piece right here. I'm gonna add in my final extension. So there you guys have it. This is the finishing result. I know that like I keep touching my hair, but I can't believe that this is my hair. It's also the extensions, but like we did this. But yeah, like this hair style was so easy to create and just so effortless, guys. It was so easy. I can't get over it. It takes patience, but I promise you guys it's totally worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.